Imagine waking up one morning to see Mars looming in the sky, getting closer every day. What would happen if Earth and Mars collided? Would it be the end of our world or the start of something entirely new? Buckle up as we explore this cosmic showdown and unravel the mysteries of planetary collisions. Earth, our blue home, and Mars, the red planet, and our closest planetary neighbor. Separated by an average of 225 million kilometers, they both orbit the Sun, each with its own unique characteristics. Mars, half the size of Earth, has always intrigued us with its mysteries, from towering volcanoes to ancient riverbeds. But what if these two planets were on a collision course? How could this even happen? Imagine a rogue planet or a massive asteroid passing through our solar system, altering the gravitational dance of our planets. This cosmic interloper could push Mars onto a collision course with Earth, setting the stage for an epic planetary showdown. As Mars gets closer, gravitational forces would wreak havoc on both worlds, causing extreme tides, volcanic eruptions, and massive earthquakes. But the real chaos begins when they collide. The impact would be beyond anything ever witnesses. A collision of this magnitude would release energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs. The shock waves would obliterate everything in their path, while molten rocks and debris would be hurled into space, forming a temporary ring around the new merged planet. This cataclysmic event would reshape both planets, creating a new world with characteristics of both Earth and Mars. But what about life? In the chaos, life as we know it would force incredible challenges. The collision would wipe out most life forms, but it might also create new habitats, combining Earth water with Mars's raw materials. Could life find a way to adapt and thrive in the harsh new environment? While the immediate aftermath would be devastating, this new world might eventually stabilize, opening up possibilities for life to evolve in ways we've never imagined. A collision between Earth and Mars is purely hypothetical, but it sparks the imagination about the dynamics of our universe and the resilience of life. What other cosmic event could be waiting to surprise us? If you enjoyed this journey into the realms of the possible and impossible, like this video, subscribe, and join us as we continue to explore the wonders of the cosmos.